Can you believe that just a glass of clove water could totally change your health in ways you never thought possible? Imagine this, an ancient spice that not only fights off infections, but also boosts digestion. Sounds like a hidden superpower, right? Clove water might sound like the latest wellness trend, but this isn't just another health fad. Cloves have been used for centuries, and now people are rediscovering how soaking these potent little spices in water can unlock some truly amazing benefits. Ready to be surprised? Let's dive in. Ever struggled with bloating, nagging joint pain, or feeling run down all the time? You're not alone. But here's the kicker. Clove water might be the solution you didn't know you needed. Let's look at how it can help. First off, let's wave goodbye to bloating. Clove water gets your digestive enzymes going, which helps break down food quicker and keeps your stomach feeling good. Suffering from aching joints or swollen muscles? Clove water is like a natural pain reliever, helping to soothe your body from the inside out with its anti-inflammatory properties. Always feeling like you're coming down with a cold? Clove water is loaded with antioxidants that help your immune system, keeping those annoying germs at bay. Hey, if you're surprised by these benefits, feel free to drop a comment below and share this video with someone who could use a health boost. Say goodbye to bad breath. Cloves are like nature's mouthwash, battling bacteria and keeping your mouth nice and fresh. Also, clove water might be good for toothaches. Next time you're thinking about grabbing some gum, just go for clove water instead. Having a tough time with sugar crashes? Clove water is great for keeping blood sugar levels in check, which is super helpful for folks managing diabetes or anyone looking to keep their energy steady all day long. Can't seem to get a good night's rest? Clove water might just be the chill drink you need to help you fall asleep easier, so you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Dealing with breakouts? Clove water is great for your skin, helping it stay clear and glowing with its antibacterial benefits. Skip the pricey creams. Nature's got your skincare covered. Your liver is always busy detoxing your body, and clove water can give it a little boost. It helps your liver work better, getting rid of toxins quicker than you can say, clean slate. Feeling that pounding headache? Clove water has some natural stuff that can chill you out and ease those annoying migraines without having to take any meds. And here's one you'll love. Clove water might be your new go-to for weight loss. It gets your metabolism going, making it easier to burn calories. Clove water is not only refreshing, but it's also doing some serious work to help you stay fit. Now, here's the most surprising benefit. Clove water can improve your bone health. That's right. Thanks to its rich supply of manganese, clove water helps strengthen your bones, something most people would never expect from a simple spice. Hey, have you ever given clove water a shot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more awesome health tips, be sure to check out our next video.